Assalamualaikum dear students and welcome to Learning at Home. I hope you are fine and staying safe. तो आज हम करेंगे यूनिट नंबर 5 जिसका नाम है फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंजेस। तो आज के लेसन को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो उसको ज़रूर लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिएगा। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। सबसे पहले हम इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नंबर 1, एन एलिमेंट X is hard and grey in color, good conductor of heat and electricity, attracted by magnets. It rusts readily in moist air. Which of the following could it be? The correct option is D, iron. Number 2, which of the following is not a chemical change? The answer is C, making paper boats. Number 3, observe the following changes. Which option describes the change correctly? The answer is A, from X to Y, the change is reversible, while Y to Z, the change is irreversible. Number 4, which of the following is a physical change? The answer is A, solidifying the molten steel. Number 5, expansion of metals on heating is a change that is. The answer is C, physical. Number 6, which of the following reactions involves combustion? The answer is B, natural gas plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water. Number 7, when a sliced apple turns its color, the change is B, chemical. Number 8, Ali made some flowers from colored paper. The chemical properties of paper remain unchanged and the appearance or shape of paper changes. This change is referred to as a. The answer is B, physical. Number 9, Farah draws a picture on a piece of paper and then folds it into a paper airplane. She throws it at her little brother Ali. The paper airplane hits him in the head. Ali responds by ripping up the paper and then burns the paper airplane. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? The answer is D, burning of paper. Number 10, silver objects turns black when kept in the open air for a few days due to formation of. The answer is B, silver sulfide. Next we have true and false and we have to correct the statement if it is false. Number 1, changes that occur in egg after heating process are reversible. इसमें रिवर्सिबल रॉन्ग है, इसकी जगह हम लिखेंगे इरिवर्सिबल. नंबर 2, combustion is the process of burning something. This is true. Number 3, magnetizing an iron needle is not an example of chemical change. This is also true. Number 4, grinding of wheat grain is changing its size only. It is a chemical change. Chemical की जगह हम लिखेंगे physical, यानी ये physical change है. Number 5, solidification of molten iron is a chemical change. ये है physical change. Chemical change is a wrong word. Now we will note down the answers of short questions. Question number 1, what kind of change is the growing of a seedling from the seed? Answer, it is a chemical change because a seed has developed into a complete plant which is irreversible. Question number 2, combustion takes place in internal combustion engine of a car. What burns in the engine to release energy for the car to move? Can it burn without air or oxygen? The answer is fuel burns in the engine to release energy for the car to move. It cannot burn without air or oxygen. Question number 3, melting of butter is a change where a substance changes from solid to liquid state. Write few more examples. The answer is number 1, melting of ice into water. Number 2, salt dissolved in water. Number 3, evaporation of water. Question number 4, why is boiling of eggs a chemical change and boiling of water is physical change? Answer, boiling of eggs is a chemical change because when eggs are boiled, then the changes in eggs are irreversible and permanent. Boiling of water is a physical change because this change is temporary. Steam can be converted into water by cooling. Question number 5, a bag of flour lying in the open gets wet due to rain during the night. The next day the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the flour can be reversed? The answer is yes. Wet flour can be changed again into dry when placed in sunshine. Now we will note down the answers of constructed response questions at page number 81. Question number 1. Hanif is making the mixture of mortar with cement and sand and gravel. The first question is this an example of a physical or chemical change? The answer is this is an example of physical change. B. How do you know what kind of a change it is? Because this change is reversible. C. How is this type of change useful in homes and buildings? Answer. The mortar is used in construction of homes and buildings. Question number 2. Here are two types of mixtures. Mixture number 1 is salt and water and mixture number 2 is sand and water. The question is, which mixture can be reversed to its original state? Why? The answer is both mixtures can be reversed into original state. In first mixture, salt can be separated from water by heating. In second mixture, sand is insoluble in water and can be separated by filtration. Next question. How are the mixtures different? Do you think the mixtures can be separated? The answer is, in first mixture, salt is completely dissolved in water. In second mixture, sand is not dissolved in water. Both the mixtures can be separated. C. What happens to the water and the sand? Answer. Sand is not dissolved in water. By filtration, the sand can be separated by water. D. Taste the filtered salt water again with a straw. What do you notice about the taste? Answer. The filtered water is still salty in taste because salt has been completely dissolved in water and cannot be separated by filtration. How can the mixture of salt and water be separated? Answer. Mixture of salt and water be separated by heating. Water will evaporate and salt will be left behind. Now we will note down the answers of long questions. Question number 1 is differentiate between a physical and a chemical change with daily life examples. इसका आंसर स्टार्ट होता है पेज नंबर 69 से, सेकंड पैराग्राफ से. एनी चेंज विच इज़ टेम्पररी एंड कैन बी रिवर्स्ड. ये चारों लाइंस इसमें इंक्लूडेड हैं और बाकी का इसका पार्ट नेक्स्ट पेज पे है. बाकी का इसका पार्ट है पेज नंबर 70 पे. केमिकल चेंज से स्टार्ट करेंगे, सेकंड पैराग्राफ है और ये फुल पैराग्राफ इसमें इंक्लूडेड है. Question number 2. Describe methods of rust prevention. Explain how these methods prevent object from rusting. इसका आंसर आपको मिलेगा पेज नंबर 75 पे. फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. द वर्ड इक्वेशन फॉर द केमिकल रिएक्शन इज, यहाँ से लेके आप इसकी 5th लाइन पे कोटिंग विद प्लास्टिक तक लिखेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. गिव वन एग्जाम्पल इन ईच केस विच चेंजेस अकर. इसमें हमने जो स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं उसकी एग्जाम्पल्स लिखनी है और साथ में बताना है कि ये कौन सा चेंज है. सबसे पहले है हमारे पास ऑन हीटिंग बट कैन बी रिवर्स्ड. इसकी एग्जाम्पल में हम लिखेंगे मेल्टिंग ऑफ वैक्स और ये चेंज है फिजिकल चेंज. नंबर 2. ऑन हीटिंग बट कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स्ड. इसकी एग्जाम्पल में लिखेंगे बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर और ये चेंज है केमिकल चेंज. नंबर 3. ऑन कूलिंग बट कैन बी रिवर्स्ड. एग्जाम्पल है मेकिंग ऑफ आइस और ये है फिजिकल चेंज. Number 4. On mixing of two substance but can be reversed on heating. इसकी एग्जाम्पल में लिखेंगे मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर एंड सॉल्ट और इसकी एग्जाम्पल है फिजिकल चेंज. नंबर 5. On mixture of two substance but cannot be reversed. इसकी एग्जाम्पल है प्रिपेयरिंग वाटर फ्रॉम ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन और ये चेंज है केमिकल चेंज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Give 2 examples for each of the following case. Number 1. Physical changes which are reversible. हमने इनकी दो एग्जाम्पल्स देनी है. फर्स्ट वन की एग्जाम्पल्स में हम लिखेंगे बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर और फ्रीजिंग ऑफ वाटर. नंबर 2. केमिकल चेंजेस विच आर इरिवर्सिबल. इसकी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं बर्निंग ऑफ वुड एंड रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. Students, I hope you have noted down the exercise of unit number 5, physical and chemical changes. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment section. और वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो इसको ज़रूर लाइक और शेयर कीजिएगा. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.